Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so in the previous video I talked about setting up a blog and how that's important to have a presence around the web. So in this video I just want to go through a quick tutorial about how to set up a blog with Tumblr. And Tumblr is the most cost-efficient way to set up a blog because it will host your blog for free. If you do it with WordPress, they're going to charge you for it. Tumblr, you can even have your own domain name, and it's free. Now you have to buy the domain name, but the hosting is free. So it is the most cost-efficient way to do it. Alright, so first of all, if you sign up, go to tumblr.com and sign up, enter your email and name, and once you sign up, it's going to take you to a little page, something like this. And somewhere at the top, over like right here, it's going to have something that says create a new blog. Now mine's right here because I'm involved in quite a few blogs here. So right here where it says create a new blog, just click on that. And it's going to take you right here. So I'm going to title this one test blog. And my test blog oh, that's already taken. My test blog 1.2. Alright, so this is just a little test blog. So now at the URL mytestblog12.tumblr.com, that's going to be my URL. That's my thing, and you can even have it password protected, but you really don't want to do that. So then you're gonna click create blog. Alright, so test blog, here it is right here, and right here is where you can actually post anything you want: text, photo, quote, link, chat, audio, and video. So this is where you can keep people updated with your stuff, and it's very, very simple right here. So now we're going to talk about customizing it a little bit. So right now I'm going to tell you how to get your own domain name for your Tumblr account, and how, because they'll host it for free. So right now I'm going to go to settings and use my custom domain. See where it says use a custom domain, and there's right to the right of it, there's a really kind of faded little question mark right here. And you're going to want to click on that question mark, and it's going to take you to this page. If you can't see the question mark or whatever, then you might just want to copy and paste this URL here, tumblr.com/docs, some other junk in there. I want to copy and paste that thing right there, get that down. And this is where it tells you a little bit about using a custom domain. It's very, very complicated, so you're going to want to listen closely right here. So right now, the most important part is these numbers right here, and I'm going to talk about that a little more in a second here. So these numbers are what you're going to need to know right here. Alright, right now is where I need to go to GoDaddy.com. Sorry about that. Right now I'm going to go over to GoDaddy.com, which is where I purchased my. It's the best way to purchase your domain name, and that's where I purchased mine. So right now I'm going to go over there, and because that's where you need to go from here. Alright, so here we are in my GoDaddy account. If you don't have a GoDaddy account, well, it's probably the best way to purchase domains. There are other sites, but they're all pretty similar. So once you have an account and you purchase your domain, you're going to want to go over to My Account here. And alright, here we are. So once you go to My Account and you've purchased a domain, and to purchase a domain, you just got to go back in on the home page, search for a domain, and then go through the process of purchasing. It's pretty simple. So then it's going to take you to a little page right here, and this is your account name. So, and all right here is my domain. So I only have one domain registered with GoDaddy right now. So I'm going to click on that, and it's just going to take me here. Alright, so this is the domain details, and with any domain register site, it's going to look a lot like this. So you want to scroll down, you want to look for the thing that says DNS Manager. On GoDaddy, you scroll down a little bit, it's in the middle right here. And under DNS Manager, you're going to go down and just click the blue link that says Launch. And I'm just going to wait till it takes me to that page. Alright, here we are. So right here is what you need to, is where you're going to need to change it. And so you got your domain name here, and the A record is right here. So right here is the A record, and this is what you're going to need to change. Okay, so see where it says has a little pencil right here? You're going to want to scroll over this thing and you'll see the little pencil. Click the pencil and it's going to allow you to edit this. So you're going to want to delete that. And this is the part where you're going to want to go back to the Tumblr account. So I got my Tumblr right here, and this is where I talked about using these numbers right here. This is the numbers. You're going to want to copy and paste this number right here. Copy. And paste right here. Alright. And then you want to click Save Zone File right there. That's all you need to do. You just got to copy and paste the number that so that now it's pointing to Tumblr. So now this is the first step to allowing me to have my custom domain name. So Save Zone File. Okay. Now it's saving. Your changes have been submitted. Okay, and it says it can usually take up to 48 hours. It's usually going to be done in about 5 or 10 minutes though. Okay, it's refreshing page. Alright, so now this is the part I can go ahead and exit out of this, and I can go into my Tumblr account. So now you want to go back to your blog, find whatever, so test blog right here. Go into settings, and you're going to want to click use a custom domain, and it's going to be www.mineisfreelancerjobtips.com. And then you're going to want to go down here and click Save Settings right there. And after that, after about 5 or 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and test it out. You can go ahead and go to your actual URL, your domain name, and it should take you to your blog. All right. So, and actually, you might need to put the HTTP. You might need to put the full domain there. Not completely sure. You might want to work with that a little bit. So if it doesn't work like with just a www, you want to put the full domain in. But it should probably work with just this one. And then you'll have your blog, and that's all you need to know for getting your own domain name. All right, so now I want to talk about. Wait a second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save these settings. Alright, so I'm back on my blog dashboard here, and this is still my test blog, and I want to talk about customizing it just a little bit. So if you want to customize it, you can go ahead and click on Customize Appearance right over here. Pretty simple. And it's going to take you over here. And this is exactly where you can add new pages, a title, background, a header. It's actually pretty nifty. And you can add new pages down here. Alright, so if you want, say you want to upload a background, and there's also, before I forget, there's also themes. If you want to buy a theme, see right here they got premium, free, single column. They got all these themes. So if we'll go click on premium here for a second, and they're up to $50 if you want a really cool one. And they got all sorts of things. Like, yep, these are all pretty neat. And you can click on them, and, test them out, see how they look, like this. So it's pretty nifty if you want to go and buy one. But and there's also free themes too. Okay, but first of all, I want to talk about just some simple things that we can do. If you want to upload a background, so say I want a background of just like say money, then go ahead and you want to go ahead and I actually already have one, but you want to go ahead and go to the internet, click on Google Images, and get the background image you want. And then save it to your computer, and then background, upload, documents, got way too many documents here, and then choose, and see now I got this picture of money, and it's now in the background. And if you want to upload a header as well, then you can actually go to Word or Keynote or any other kind of document. If you want to, you got Photo Bucket or something. It's if you're good at that kind of stuff, then feel free to create some kind of a background or some kind of a header and make it kind of nifty or something. If that's what you'd like to do, and you can upload that right there. So now we'll go ahead and actually check out my actual blog here, and I'll show you that this is actually live on the internet right now after I click save. Alright, so we're back on my Tumblr dashboard here, and I'm just going to do a quick test to see if this actually works, and I'm going to show you guys that it's live. So, what was it? It was my test blog, right? My test blog 12.tumblr.com. And this is because I'm not sure if my actual, my real domain's ready yet, but it should be in a couple minutes, so we'll just use this for now. Alright, and there it is right here. You got the test blog. You got the test blog up there, like I said, the money background. Obviously, I haven't posted anything, so that's why there's nothing here. But once you get some content on there, it'll look a lot better. And if you want to edit a custom header, then you can do that too. So, I'm just going to go back to my Tumblr, and I'm actually going to show you a little nifty. I'll show you what a more full blog looks like. And, okay, here's just one of my blogs. It's called Young, Wild, and Rich that I manage. And here it is right here. I'll go ahead and click on the Young, Wild, and Rich Tumblr.com. Crap. Sorry about that. Alright, here it is. So this is my, as you can see, it's got the money background. I created a little custom header here, and a little about section over here, so you can leave your contact info there, and some blog posts right here. So this is what a polished blog would look like. It's very simple to create. So that's pretty much all you need to know. That's all you need to know to create your blog on Tumblr. I highly suggest you use it because it's a great platform and it's very cost efficient, and you don't even need to spend any money. I didn't spend any money on this one, not even on the domain, as you can see, and it looks pretty polished and makes a little bit of money. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know about creating your Tumblr blog, and you can go and get started if you'd like. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.